Mr Tumble Song time! Try it again and again! Join in, everyone! Here we go! When you find something too hard to do, like put on your shoe, yeah, put on your shoe! You've got to keep on trying to see it through. So what to do? What to do? Oh, try it again, 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 again. Try it again, 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 again. Try it again, 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 again. Try it again and again. When you find something you really like riding your bike, yeah, riding your bike. But it's really difficult to stay upright. But you love your bike, so get back on your bike. Oh, try it again, 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 again. Try it again, 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 again. Try it again, 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 again. Try it again and again. When difficult things are done, it's a relief. Like brushing your teeth. Yeah, brushing your teeth. You brush the ones above and then beneath. You've gotta believe you can brush your teeth. Just try it again, 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 again. Try it again, 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 again. Try it again, 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 again. Try it again and again. Lots of things are hard to do, but the more you try, you can get by. It's just up to you. But some really tricky things are fun to do, like whistle a tune. Yeah, whistle a tune. Just put your lips together and then blow. You never know. Just have a go. Try it again, 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 again. Try it again, 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 again. Try it again, 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 again. Try it again and again. Oh, try it again, 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 again. Again, 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 again. Try it again, 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 again. Try it again and again. Ha-ha! Try it again and again. Hello, it's me, Mr. Tumble. Did you enjoy that? Woohoo! If you want to see more of me and my friends, then go to BBC iPlayer and look out for CBeebies Something Special.